Hi, what is the value of x given that you have root of x times x times x divided by root of x plus x equals 1? Let us recall that when you have root of a divided by root of b always equals root of a divided by b from the law of sort. So when you apply it here to this and this, so you can simply have this to be root of x times x divided by x plus x to be equals 1. And so therefore from here, to eliminate this square root, we can take the power of both sides to be 2 as this x times x divided by x plus x equals 1 to the power of 2. So obviously this and this will cancel. So we are going to have x multiplied by x divided by x plus x equals 1 times 1. So this one has power 1. Remember, when you have a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of n, this can be simplified as a to the power of 3n. So when you apply it here, we can have this as x to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by this would be open bracket x into parenthesis of 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then everything equals 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 will be 3. So here will be x to the power of 3 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So here will be 3 times x. We have here to be 3x equals 1. So from here, when we cross multiply, here will be x to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 equals 3x multiplied by 1. So from here we have x to the power of 3 equals 3x. Taking this one to here, we have x to the power of 3 minus 3x. Then we set everything to be equal 0. What is common here is x. When we factor it out as this, we open bracket x to the power of 3 divided by x, we have x to the power of 2 left minus 3x divided by x, we have 3 left. We close it. We set everything to be equal 0. For this expression to be equal 0, because when you have AB to be equal 0, this implies that we have A to be equal 0 or we have B to be equal 0 for this expression to be equal 0. Likewise happen to this is either we have x to be equal 0 or we have x squared minus 3 to be equal 0. And so therefore we have x to be equal 0 as the first solution. Then from here we have x squared to be equals 3. Taking the square root of both sides as root of x squared equals positive or negative root of 3. This and this will cancel. So we have x to be equals positive or negative root 3. Now mind you that we have another solution to be s equals 0. Then let us check for this and this. So this is all we have for the value of x. Then let us check. For x equals 0, what we are going to have first will be root of 0 times 0 times 0 divided by root of 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then it's going to give you 1. 0 times 0, 0. It will give us 0. So we have root of 0. 0 times 0, 0. We have here to be root of 0. This cannot be equal to 1. So from here, we have 0 divided by 0. It does not equal to 1. So x equals 0. We rejected it. Then let us also check when x equals positive root 3. So this implies that from here we are going to have root of root 3 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 3 divided by root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 then is it going to give us 1? So from here we have here to be root of, this one has power 1, will be root 3 to the power of 3 divided by root of this one 1, 2, 3 will be 3 of root 3, then it's going to give us 1. So from here we can have this as root of 3 root root 3 to the power of 3 divided by 3 root 3, then it's going to give us 1. This one has power 1 from the law of indices. When you have a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m equals a to the power of n minus m. So when you apply it here, we are going to have here to be roots of root 3 to the power of 3 minus 1 divided by 3, then it's going to give us 1. So we have root of root 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3, then it's going to give you 1. Obviously, this and this will cancel. So we're going to have root of 3 divided by 3, then it's going to give us 1. This also will be 3 divided by 3, 1 equals 1. Root of 1 will give us 1 and equals 1. So x equals positive root 3. Satisfied. It is accepted. Then let's also check. So when x equals minus root 3, so definitely here will be as this, minus root 3 multiplied by minus root 3 multiplied by minus root 3 divided by minus root 3 minus root 3 minus root 3, then it's going to give us 1. So from here we have this as minus times minus plus times minus will give us minus, and here will be root 3 to the power of 3 divided by minus 3 root 3, then it's going to give us 1. This we cancel this, so we're going to have root of root 3 to the power of 3 minus 1 from here divided by 3, then it's going to give us 1. So from here we have root of root 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 is going to give us 1. So obviously this and this will cancel. We have 3 divided by 3 left, then it's going to give us 1. This divided by this will be 1. Root 1 will be 1 equals 1. So x equals minus root 3 also satisfy the problem given to us. If you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye bye.